Yo, Tech Lease, this is Cobra. I'm going to show you guys the best screen protector for the iPhone and the best way of installing any kind of screen protector.
The Chosen.
Now you see we got a clean iPhone here. I just removed the previous screen protector, so it is flawless still. Then I have a Spigen Glasser Easy Fit. Now it says easy, it says perfect. It's a 2-pack. I'm gonna tell you why it's easy and why it's perfect. Before that, let me give you the setup. First of all, I'm in the bathroom. And the best way to install a screen protector is to make sure it's in a humid environment. So I have the bath water running. It's nice and steamy. They say the dust in the atmosphere settles. I don't know how true it is, but we're gonna find out. Also, you don't want any lotions or anything on your hands. So my name is Ashy Larry today. Look at those hands. Ugh, look like I got on some gray gloves. And here it is. It comes with like a guide. It comes with a frame, if you will. I put on another protector that had a frame, so to me that's not much different. It comes with instructions on what you need to do. Pretty straightforward, no words, pictures and numbers. Pretty standard. Comes with a wet wipe and a microfiber cloth, so you know what to do here. Use the wet wipe first and then the microfiber. Make sure it's no dust. What I like to do is, once I get to the microfiber cloth, I like to go ahead and give it like a little, like a little feather dust to it, a little feather dust to make sure nothing's on there. Now it's a pretty humid environment, so I don't see any dust anywhere. Okay, here we go. I think we're ready for the install. Go ahead and grab that frame. It tells you what to do. Slide off the protective film from the inside first. And then just sit it on top. Now, I was a little worried about this, but look at that, it just slides right on. Tells you which way is up, which way is down, and you can see it's already adhering to the glass. Now remember, there's a film on the back side too, so all the bubbles might not just be from the device itself, it might be from the upper layer of film. Then it says press and slide, so I'm gonna go ahead and press down, apply some pressure, but it seems like it's adhered to the center, just in those corner spots. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh, I see a little bubble right there, man. So I'm gonna try to press that out. So I'm going to pull the squeegee out and, work the edges a little bit before I remove that top film. All right, let's go ahead and take it off and see how it looks. Okay, looking pretty clean. All right. It looks perfectly aligned, but right here in the corner, it's a little bit for me to rub out. Oh, it's still there just a little bit, but I'm gonna work that. We'll see how that one works itself out or what's gonna happen there. Go ahead and throw on one of my favorite current games, Katamari Damacy, just to check out the smoothness of the screen. Now with my last screen protector, it was kind of sticky when I played this game. A little bit of friction action, but oh yes, this is smooth. Wow. Okay, now it's a little too smooth. This is a little too realistic. Look at that. It's like a 1-to-1, baby. I like the way it feels. I wonder if this will hold up. Hopefully it does. If there's a coating or something on it, only time will tell how long it will last. But I really like it. It looks good. I'm worried about that little corner right there, but we're gonna see how it ends up by the end of the day. Usually it takes about 24 hours, but besides that little spot, it looks pretty good. Here we are later in the evening, and yes, that side bubble is gone. This screen protector is flawless. Easy install, especially coming from a person that does not like to install screen protectors. It comes with the frame that helps it out, aligning it, And make sure you do it in a humid environment. I really think that helped with the dust. Hey, tech leads, if you're like me and hate applying screen protectors, this might be the route for you. All right, y'all, we do this for the culture, baby. We do this for you.